Hello everyone, Professor John here with another grammatical quick hit, in this case the regrettable informal we and you. Far too often in student writing I see we and you get dropped into the writing when neither pronoun is used to refer to a specific set of people, the we, or a specific person, the reader, you. If you're writing instructions, the you is used, and I use the you in this presentation. That way I'm speaking to you who is watching this video. But far too often, that's not how the you is used. Here's an example sentence with the we. By overcoming malpractice issues, we can lower the cases of misdiagnosis, medication, and surgical errors that occur every year. Well, the idea of the sentence is correct, but the we is trying to be inclusive. It's trying to say everybody, but it's using the first person plural form, the we, to do that. Here's an example with you. When you go to the bank, you always have to wait in line. This is not being written for the specific reader, or if this was in conversation, not meaning specifically the person you were speaking to. This is another generalization, an attempt to say when everyone goes to the bank, everyone has to wait in line. If you're engaged in conversation, or maybe writing an informal blog post or a tweet or some other benighted form of social communication, and you are being informal, fine. Go right ahead. Use we and you at your heart's content. Their purpose is to generalize an idea or situation, and they are generally understood as such when used informally. Avoid them when you're doing formal writing. So if you're engaged in formal writing, such as writing an essay for a course at college, avoid the we and you forms. Chances are good you'll be writing in the third person, which makes use of pronouns like he, she, they, etc., or identifies actors doing particular actions, persons, for example, performing a particular action. If you are engaged in formal writing, be formal. Avoid the we and the you forms. So here's a third person sentence. When a person goes to a bank, they almost always have to stand in line. By the way, the they used in the sentence above is now, according to the APA, considered grammatically acceptable. And if you hear a distant buzzing, that buzzing is the bodies of old-time grammarians spinning in their graves. Formal writing requires, well, some formality. And one bit of formality is the avoidance of the informal use of we and you. And that's your quick hit.